Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. Here I am with one more makeover video. You people might have come to know by seeing the thumbnail, yes, I am going to give a makeover for my balcony wall. Due to my busy schedule, it's very difficult for me to post regularly. So sorry friends. But I try my level best to do something for you people. So welcome to the channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel. So here you can see the condition of my balcony wall. I have just given a makeover for this wall long back when I was not yet started my YouTube channel. And now you can see the condition of this wall. First we'll start by decluttering and cleaning the area. I have done so many DIYs for my balcony and I'm just removing everything. So I'll remove all the plants whatever I have kept in this wall. You can see I have applied a wallpaper for this. Actually what happened is due to heavy rain, the seepage happened in this wall and whole wall got damaged and it was looking totally greenish and blackish. And at that time I repaired it by myself and I applied this wallpaper. It was really a good wallpaper and it has been around 4 years now. But due to heavy rain and heavy sunlight, now the condition is like this. And here I am removing my old DIY which I have done using plastic bottles. And I am going to remove all the DIYs which are not in good condition. Here you can see there is a wall shelf in which I have kept some plants. And also I am going to donate some of the plants to the needy. As because of lack of time I can't take care of these plants. So I'll keep only limited plants in my balcony. It really hurts when you give your plants to somebody because I really love plants. But I don't have any other option, so I have to declutter. Instead of killing the plant, let me give it to some who loves the plant. And here you can see how good the adhesive of this wallpaper is. Here I am using this metal wall putty applier so that I can remove this wallpaper easily. It took much more time for me to clean this wall and remove this wallpaper. So here there is a crack in this wall and I have to fill it. So all the wall putty and all have been gone and I have to repair this wall. To fill the gap I am using this Dr. Fix-It. Using the applier I will just fill the cracks. After applying this I just left it for whole night. And then from the next day I started working on it. So it will fill the gap nicely so that there won't be any sign of cracks on the wall. You can see this Dr. Fix-It is really good and it fills all the cracks on my wall. So you can buy it offline or online. I have purchased from a local hardware shop. So once it is completely dry, now it's time to apply the wall putty. I used wall putty powder which is available in the local hardware shop and I just added some water, make a paste and you have to apply it using the applier. I am applying wall putty wherever there is uneven surface. After applying wall putty you have to allow it to dry completely. I just left it for one more day so that it will get dried completely. You can see that I have applied the wall putty very evenly. I have taken so much of efforts and time to complete this task. Now it's time to sand the wall and make it even. I am using 120 number sandpaper and I have purchased it from a local hardware shop. I am sanding it properly to make the surface even. After sanding it, I have applied a coat of primer for this wall. Sorry, the video got deleted because of which I couldn't share that part. Actually for this wall I just plan to put a wallpaper. As this wall is more exposed to sunlight and rain, I just don't want to repair it every year and waste my time. So I just planned once again to put the wallpaper for this wall. And I have purchased this wallpaper from Amazon and I will share the link in the description box. Actually what happened is before purchasing this wallpaper I didn't measure the length. So how much length the wallpaper I needed. So I just ordered 2 meter wallpaper. And then I realized that I need at least 2 more roll for this wall. So I ordered it once again. And when I ordered for the second time, I got a different color wallpaper. And as it is non-returnable, I couldn't return it also. And this is that wallpaper with the different color. But I just thought let me use the same. As the prints are same and only difference is in the color. But this color wallpaper is really bad. Its adhesive is very weak. So later I used the Fevicol glue to stick this. But the other green print wallpaper was really good. The adhesive was also very good. Only the wrong item which I received was not good. And here this is the final look of our wall. Anyhow, it's looking really great and I just loved it. Now it's time to decorate our wall. To decorate this, I have not done much more DIYs. The brackets of the wall shelf which I had got rust, and to remove the rust I am sanding it with sandpaper. You can also use WD-40. Once the sanding is done, wipe it neatly, and now I am applying a metal primer on this. If the metal item got rust, you have to apply a coat of this metal primer before painting the item. It will prevent your metal from further rusting. Once the metal primer is completely dry, then only you have to apply a enamel paint. So this enamel paint will take more time, minimum of 24 hours to get dry. Now it's time to install our shelf. Already holes were there in the wall, and while repairing the wall I didn't close them because I knew that I have to hang some of the shelves here. So I'll be fixing the shelf to those holes. I also painted this wooden shelf with white enamel paint, so it will be protected when water falls on this. In some other holes I am fixing some other brackets. And for this wall I'll hang some of the DIYs which I have done long back. Here I am having handmade shelf, and even I am hanging this DIY wall decor. This coat perfectly fits here. And now let's decorate the shelf with some of the plants. I didn't buy any plants for this time, so I am decorating and arranging the plants which already there with me. Along with this, I'll just add some of the DIY miniature garden decors. Before I had 2 wall shelves to keep the plants, and it was very difficult for me to water them, so this time I have kept only 1 shelf. And on this wall brackets I am going to hang 2 plants. Now let's arrange the plants on the floor. For that I am using this 3-tier metal plant shelf. I have purchased this product from Amazon. I'll check for the link, and if it is available I'll share in the description. So now let me arrange all my plants in this shelf. It took much more time for me to arrange all the pots in this shelf, because depending upon the space and the size of the pot you have to arrange the plants. And I have kept some of the plants which needs more sunlight towards the window, and rest of them to the other side. As some of my plants are not in good condition, and I'll purchase some more plants if other plants will not survive. So let me keep a big monstera in the corner. And now all the plants got arranged, and here is the final look. So I have decorated only the one side of my balcony, and on the other side of the balcony I'll share some other day, as I have kept so many items and it's looking so cluttered. I hope soon I can give a makeover for that side of the corner, and if I am doing that makeover I'll definitely share with you. So friends, I hope you might have loved this simple and budget friendly makeover of my balcony wall. If you have any suggestion or comments, let me know in the comments. I hope this video is helpful for you and motivated you to decorate your balcony. And if you are doing something inspired by my videos, please let me know in my Instagram. See you soon in one more interesting video. Till then, take care and bye.